What's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new volume style for your Galaxy device. This is actually Nothing OS style volume panel for your Galaxy device and this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay guys, first you have to download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. After download, simply tap and open. Set some permissions. Now look at this new volume style like Nothing OS volume style on your Galaxy device. Now let me show you advanced setup. Simply go to General. After go to General, enable haptic for better experience. Now enable this overlap notch area option. Now scroll. Look at this. Also available animation types on this app, but some animations is premium. Now enable fade animation. You also set fade color and look at this arc animation. Now simply go back. Now look at this, you also set all speeds. Now go back. Go to music integration. This is premium and open with gesture. Simply go to configure gesture zone and you also enable this volume panel with gesture. But guys, I recommend this option always turn off. Now go to overlay setting. Look at this, you also set position, your volume panel position like this and also increase size. This is actually animation sensitivity and you also set auto hide time like 3 seconds, 4 seconds and simply type on apply. Now go to volume number setting. Guys, look at this. In this option, Nothing OS style numeric font on this app. You also set bold font like this and tap on enable dial outline and look at this dial outline. You also change color and you also set dial size like this. You also set dial outline like this. Look at this shadow. This is actually black shadow. Now go back, tap on apply. Guys, remember this move to the right option as enable. Look at this. And you also set invert scrolling. Now go to minor number setting. Guys, look at this. You also set this minor numbers font like this and also increase or decrease size. Now tap on apply. Now tap on dial decoration. Look at this, you also decorate your dial. Now go back. Now enable dial internal shadow and tap on use volume steps. Look at these volume steps. And guys, in last option, you also set dark mode or light mode of this volume style. This is really amazing, right? Simply go back and you also set colors, but this is premium feature. Now go back and simply enjoy this new volume style on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also enable this Nothing OS style volume panel on your any Galaxy device. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.